Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix unable to go online in Uber Driver app. First, go to the App Store or Google Play, search Uber Driver. If you see update, tap it. If it says open, you're good. Check your internet connection. Switch to cellular data if Wi-Fi is weak or disconnected. Make sure you have strong signal coverage. Service area and rating issues. If you're outside your sign-up city, request a location change. Also, check your driver rating and driving hours. US and Canada have daily limits. Document problems. Your documents may be expired, missing, or under review. Check your email for updates from Uber or open the app to re-upload needed files. And that's it. That's how to fix unable to go online in Uber Driver app. Thanks for watching.